Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present our presentation about our project, what we make, and the name is Prototype Alarm Medicine Reminder. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to Sir Abdullah Sani helping me to make this project. This is our team presentation. Muhamad Alfajri Saputra, it was me. I'm working on electrical design, and also programming, and especially I become the leader in this project, so I will coordinate our friends to make sure all of them working on their part. Okay, this is Muhamad Alfajri. Fajri working on mechanical design. He designing about what material what we use, about the acrylic, about the dimension, and the other mechanical design. Nisa Rahmayani, Nisa working on the collecting the data, analysis, and also testing. Last but not least, Aditya helping me about the programming. Moving on, based on population project data from Information Center, the Ministry of Health in the Republic of Indonesia in 2017, there are 23.66 million elderly people, or 9.03% of the total population of Indonesia. In 2020, the number of elderly people is predicted to reach 27.08 million elderly people. At this age, there is usually a decrease in knowledge. The result is often the occurrence of short-term memory, and usually elderly forgetting about the medicine. So that's why we made some product for make the elderly remind the medicines. This has the potential to cause problems in non-compliance with meds consumption, which can reduce the quality of life to the elderly. This encourages and inspires us to create tools that can overcome problems related to meds consumption and others that can affect the quality of life of the elderly. And we want to make this product not just for the elderly, we want to make this product for the wider community. That's it for me. On the next slide, we'll explain by my friends.
Okay, I will explain about the formulation of the problem from the project we are working on. First, how to design a tool that can tell the time to help elderly patient to take their medication regularly. 2. Is it effective for elderly patient? And 3. How can this tool work as a reminder to take medication so that elderly patient can take their medication on time as stated in the doctor's prescription. Okay, next slide will be explained my friends. Thanks.
I'm Nisa Rahmayani. In this team, I'm in charge for testing and analysis. Here, I will explain about purpose. Purpose this project is 1. It is expected that the elderly can take meds regularly. 2. Designing and making medication reminder for the elderly. Outside 1. As a PKM or student creativity program proposal report. 2. Helping the elderly in taking medication. 3. Creating tools that can help facilitate the community, especially the elderly. Benefit that we get from this project is 1. Helping the elderly to remember and know the schedule for taking medicine. 2. Reducing problem in non-adherence in taking medicine. The next slide will be explained by my friend.
Okay, thank you. And now I'm gonna explain the system design of alarm reminder. The program run in ESP32, and we have to set the time from keypad, and when the time is on, so buzzer is on, and the ESP32 send the date to ESP32 order, and in ESP32 order in my armband. So ESP32 in my armband to on the vibrating motor. So the ESP32 have to one connects from Wi-Fi. Next slide, I'm gonna explain the flowchart. So the first we have flowchart and host. So in host is ESP32 in box. So the first we have to set the alarm, and ESP32 save the date alarm when the time is come. So ESP32 have to on the buzzer, and in LCD OLED we can see time and set the time, and notification is time to medicine. I'm gonna explain on bands. So we have two ESP32, one in box and other in armband. So in armband, the ESP32 get the notification from ESP32 port. So make the vibrating motor is on. Can feel vibrating in my arms. To ESP32 have to synchron, and the next slide will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
The medicine reminder tools is designed to remind parents, especially the elderly, to make medicine according to predetermined schedule. In designing this tool system, hardware is used including 4x4 keypad, RTC DS32321, or also the SP32S microcontroller, OLED, buzzer and vibrating motor as output. Okay, when you give some some voltage research to ESP32 will working, and the OLED will appear some text. That text is alarm medicine reminder, and there's some option you can press the fence button to make the alarm, and when you set an alarm will appear in the times that you set. For example, like when the alarm is active, OLED will appear some text that say let's get some maths. Buzzer will ring. After that, the ESP32 will send in the data on another ESP32. Another one will make the vibrating motor on. So that's why the elderly will remind, oh, it's time for getting some meds. By the way, how to turn off the alarm? You need to go closer to the box and press the D button just for turn off the alarm. Okay, that's what I can say. The next slide will explain by my friends.
Okay, next I will explain about the mechanical design of the project we are working on. The mechanical design of the medication reminder tool is designed by considering the ease of taking medicine that can be taken directly in the box without considering selecting or sorting the meds to be taken. It's also easy to know and receive notification for taking medication, vibration notification on the bracelet attached to the patient. Okay, next I will explain about the timeline design of the project we are working on. Week 1 and week 2 we are manufacture of mechanical alarm reminder to take medication and making an alarm control system for taking medication. And week 3 making a program for a microcontroller for taking medication reminder alarm, and alarm testing medication reminder. Week 4 preparation of the final report of Wi-Fi based medication reminder alarm system. Okay, the next slide will be explained by my friend. Thanks.
Okay, thank you for watching. I think it's time to closing the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.